How to find live notification settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find like notification settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find test lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find push notifications, and here scroll down again, and as you see here you will find live notification settings, and here you can manage anything you want. Just click on it and manage it, and then just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.